Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a really exciting video with Betty Jean or BeautBean here on YouTube and Instagram. I discovered her through a Facebook group called Glam Haven. She posts her videos in there and I immediately subscribed the first video I started watching, and I've been watching every time she posts since then. She's very down to earth and does gorgeous makeup looks and puts a lot of effort into her videos. She also does a lot of multiple looks using one palette video, which are always fun to watch and get inspiration from. And she also has super helpful videos in color theory, so like how to use red eyeshadow, green eyeshadow, yellow eyeshadow, using the color wheel, which is really helpful. And I really enjoy those, especially because I feel like you don't get to see a lot of videos where somebody's teaching you something new. So I definitely think you should subscribe and follow her Instagram, and I will link her information and her video down below. But let's get into this collaboration theme. It is a favorite video game theme that I'm really excited to do. We gave each other a list of some video games that are our favorite, and then we picked for each other the ones that we think we should use for the inspiration of building a palette using our own eyeshadows, which is always great because I think if you have a lot of single eyeshadows, you might not necessarily get to use them up all. And we thought it would be really fun to kind of create our own palette. Something that we decided on was to make it a 6-pan eyeshadow, basically using 6 single eyeshadows that can be from any kind of brand or anything. So I created a Spyro themed palette, and she will be doing a Paper Mario themed palette and a look. So make sure you head on over to her channel, which I will link down below, to see what she came up with. So let me show you which shades I chose for the Spyro theme. Here is a red, an orange, yellow, purple, metallic green, and a metallic dark blue. So I based these colors on the general overall arching color scheme in Spyro. Every level usually has its own kind of color theme, but I wanted something that just really sums it up in general. So these three kind of go with fire. Purple, obviously Spyro is purple. This light green to represent grass, and then the dark blue to represent the sky because he's a dragon and he flies. And I'll let you know the shades and the brands. So this red is Sauce from Colored Rain, Meteorite from ColourPop, Neon Pigment from Melt Cosmetics, this is my favorite yellow ever, and Solstice from Lovelux Beauty, JD Glow Pacific, and Cosette Vision. So let's go ahead and start this look. the last step is to put on lipstick, and I'm using Pat McGrath Antidote. So I'm really happy on how this look came out. I love Spyro, and I'm so glad that they remastered all the 3 games. They're even more fun the second time around playing them, especially because the graphics are better and more updated. The colors are so beautiful and fun, and I hope you enjoyed my video. And thanks so much, Betty Jean, for collaborating with me on this really fun themed video. And everybody go watch her video. I can't wait to see the look that she comes up with, and I'm sure it will be really colorful and beautiful. It will be linked down below, and I hope to see you in my next video.